I am about to block my sweater. I have it all pinned out on this side and not on this side. Look at the difference just blocking makes. Just don't touch the yarn. So this right here was like super stretched, and now look, it's not anymore. You can stretch it more. Okay, I'm about to block my sweater. This is what it looks like. I had to overlap the fronts, but I already blocked the right side, so I'm just going to do the left now. I just hold it up. I don't touch it, but I get close. And that's all you do. You can see the stitches kind of move and expand. Crazy.